Hi guys, this is a cool MEDECO padlock, and this is the first time that I had have this in my hand. It's an interchangeable MEDECO padlock. It look like a cool stuff for me, and it's really very practical in maintenance work uh, because rekeying it is just very practical. All you have to do is just bring a new uh, IC core of MEDECO and insert it, and that's it. No need to remove the padlock on site and bring it in the office and have it rekeyed. This time all you have to do is inject a new core. So I'll try to have a little info on this kind of padlock. Okay guys, now we try to remove this IC core with control key. Alright, so you see how simple it was. Now from in the inside of this padlock, there is a little look like a retaining screw on it that holds the mechanism there. I would like to show you the inside of this. You see, that's very cool, very nice. There is a little screw there, as you can see. It's colored black, and that is the retaining screw of that rotating mechanism there to lock and unlock. It looks like a cam. We'll try to take that out. Now we need a 1.5 millimeter X screw, and we have to take that little screw there at the bottom. Okay, so that is the tiny screw there. Now we will try to remove the that is the revolving mechanism which lock and unlock. It looks like a cam, as we called it, and yeah, okay, so that's how it is look like. It's kind of a hardened metal for sure, and there is also a spring there. That's the spring. This is the one that gives some tension on this part here to rotate and return back. So there are ball bearing, that is the locker for the shackle. Okay, so there are two ball bearings about one side each, and okay, so we'll try to return this spring inside again. And also the spring also holds the ball bearings from dropping it from any side, right? Okay, there you go. So there is a little hole there that in which this ball bearing, this spring I mean, will hook to it, so that it will not go anywhere around. Okay, now it's fine its place. Now returning this part here is all you have to do is there is another hole here in this side. As you can see, that's where the other hook of the spring will goes into. Okay, so locate that position there, and then drop this. Okay, once it is dropped, try to turn it around by a screwdriver to lock it. It will find its way because yeah, it's find its way now. Now, in order to return this small screw here, you have to turn this cam here until you find the part. Actually that part is there, so yeah, you can hold it now. Now in order to easily position this cam, this shackle should be released or in open position so that there will be no pressure on it. Okay, there it goes now. I hear the click. Yeah, that it is now. You see that arrow from the inside, arrow on the cam. Okay, now you see that arrow on the cam. The position of that is facing where you want to put the small screw here. Okay, so little screw on that side there, and I hope you could find it, you could see it while I am, yeah, you see that little hole there. Yeah, that's where the position of the little screw. Tighten it, tighten that. Yeah, it's already tight. Now after you finish reinstalling the retaining screw for the uh, rotating cam, you have to try it because it's difficult when it's already there and you had the wrong position and you insert the core and you cannot open, you cannot remove the core anymore because it's already been set. So okay, let's try if it is working normally by, okay, that means it's open. Now you see how easy it was to install or replace a new code or a new key. All you have to do is bring this new interchangeable. Alright, then plug it in. You see how beautiful this MEDECO padlock is. MEDECO interchangeable core. You see that? This is one beautiful product of MEDECO, really. And also very beneficial for maintenance in replacing a new code or a new key on site. Okay, folks, so that is the beautiful picture of this MEDECO interchangeable core, which is the first time I saw this for many years. I never seen this before, only just now. I tried to search this in the internet what model it is, but there is none, only a part number, which is 50-35-111. That's all. But I didn't see any model of this kind of padlock. Okay, folks, so thanks for watching and good day.